Let's go, let it go. Okay, I'm here. Hi guys, I'm Riot. And so today, I'm gonna tell you guys how to control or use continuous light for your photography. Actually, as you know, most of you guys already knew a really big continuous light. That's right, exactly. That's the sun. Sunlight is really huge continuous light. So many people, including me, they really like sunlight, sun rays in the afternoon, sunset, especially sunset before 2 hours. Most people called magic hour. That's right, makes really good mood for photography or videography. Many photographers or videographers or filmmakers like magic hours light. If you should take a picture inside or nighttime, you should use lighting. Kind of light has two kinds. First of all, flashlight. Second, continuous light. Flashlight are more smaller size than continuous light, and then have more powerful light. Flashlight is a little bit hard to use. Nowadays, lots of flashlight already has modeling light. It means modeling light, check light. If you wanna use flashlight and you don't know before use flashlight at the time, and you turn on the modeling light, check flashlight angle or something. Usually a flashlight is too hard to control, especially beginner photographer. Actually, I highly recommend if you guys as beginner, first of all, you can use daylight, exactly the sun. And second, you can use continuous light. This time, I use continuous light godox sl-60w and sony photo fl-152, and then 2 RGB LED light, soonpho p10. So those lights are really budget light. Each light cost under $150. To be honest, godox sl-60w is too weak and I use main light. Next time, if I take photo, I'm gonna use a more powerful light, maybe 150 watts or 200 watts. And then because continuous light is really good light, and because it's too easy to control light, and because you can control light to see the model or product. First picture, I just use only sunlight, and then reflector. So reflector has different colored. First of all, white, second black, third silver, fourth gold. Yeah, basic colored white. Yeah, lots of people use white colored reflector. And second, black colored reflector. Yeah, this order more reflect light. Silver and gold, white, black. Silver light more reflect than white. Gold light is kind of reflect and different colored. And it's just a little bit warmer colored. Do you see that? And his chin's colored actually is kind of warm colored than another face. That's right. And his this side, I put the gold reflect. And then, this side, the sun. Okay, the second. At the time, I just use, I only use godox sl-60w, and that's really a nice budget light. And then I put a light 45 degrees in front of my model, and then take picture. Yeah, that's all. And then this light, I was gonna try to do different work, and because you can see their light, and this more this side more purple light, and this side more green light. Yeah, I just use this RGB light. Yeah, you see that? RGB light, yeah. Okay. This light too easy to control, change light. You see that? Yeah, that's easy. If you want red color, red or blue or green or yellow or purple color, yes, you can change any color. That time I use automatic change color function. You see that? Automatic change color. I just put those two lights beside him. Did you see that? Did you see that? Yeah, it's really simple. As you see, those lights is too small, so the power of those lights too weak to take many people. My last light is sunwayfoto fl-152 stick video light. That's really useful, and because you can see that if you have just one light, many people use one lighting feature, one lighting picture. Yeah, actually that's enough to make high quality picture. And but if you want the separate between models and background. And then at the time, and you can use second light. This is my main light, and the second light, and maybe here. Okay, so you can see that, yeah, those light, and yeah, they make to separate me and background. Okay, yeah, this time I found a really funny work with my model, and then after work, he felt really satisfied to me. Yeah, and so maybe next time, I just hope I'm gonna buy more pop light or flashlight. And so if I have another light, I'm gonna work with another light. Anyway, thanks for watching my YouTube. You guys, please subscribe and hit the thumb up button. And so, yeah, and then actually, maybe not, I'm a good photographer yet, but I just show you guys to do my best, and then someday and then keep trying and do my best, and so someday I'm gonna show you guys really high quality and my artworks. So yeah, anyway, keep waiting till someday. Okay, thanks guys, bye bye.